compact tablets are actually making a comeback, and this time Xiaomi just dropped their very new Xiaomi Pad Mini. It's an 8.8-inch tablet that's small, smart, and full of power technologies. But the big question is, can this actually compete with what we call the iPad Mini? Once again, this is James Avante, also known as Kuya James, and now James 3.0. And by the way guys, stay till the end of this video kasi in this video, mamimigay tayo guys ng isang brand new Xiaomi Pad Mini to one lucky subscriber in this video. So today, gagawin natin, mag-review tayo guys ng Xiaomi Pad Mini guys, and I'll break down my first impressions, the spec sheet, and how it stack up against the iPad Mini A17. Let's go! So the first thing I noticed guys in this tablet guys is the premium feel for its size. Again, 8.8-inch display, metal unibody design guys, available both in gray and purple. It's compact enough to hold guys literally in one half, pero big enough to be productive in the device itself. Perfect for creators who want a portable sketchpad, students for note-taking, or even gamers who want a high refresh rate performance in a very small form factor. And with HyperOS 2 plus the Xiaomi Hyper AI, it's not just hardware guys, you're also getting AI tools like writing, art, speech recognition, and even Google Gemini integration built in guys on the Xiaomi Pad Mini. So now let's talk about the screen guys. The Xiaomi Pad Mini has, again, okay, for the third time sasabihin ko to, sabi ng teleprompter, has an 8.8-inch 3K display that's 3008 by 1880 to be specific in resolutions, and 403 pixel per inch with 16 by 10 aspect ratio, no? But here's the kicker, it supports up to 165 Hz refresh rate. That's smoother than the iPad Mini na 60 Hz lang. 700 peak nit brightness for outdoor use guys, and TUV certification for low light, blue light, and flicker-free, para if in case na papagamit mo sa mga anak mo, hindi po basta-basta lalabo yung mga mata nila. For performance naman, it's powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset built on a 3nm process. You can also get this in 8GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM, or 12GB of RAM with 512GB of ROM naman, both with LPDDR5X and UFS 4.1. That means guys, yung dalawang bagay na yun will give you faster multitasking and faster uploading whenever guys magkiklik kayo ng application. Battery life is another highlight guys. It packs a 7500 massive milliampere battery with a 67-watt hypercharged faster charging technology that's way faster than the Apple iPad Mini in this category. It even supports guys 18 watts reverse ward charging, so you can top up your phone or your other like devices in emergencies. For connectivity naman, it runs Wi-Fi 7 capability na and runs on Bluetooth 5.4, which is really amazing guys for this type of device. And for media consumptions, it has stereo dual speakers with high-res audio, Dolby Atmos, and spatial audio support So kahit movies or Netflix guys, magiging immersive yung sound quality pag ginamit mo tong Pad Mini na to. So the Xiaomi Pad Mini comes with two main accessories. First, the Xiaomi Focus Pen kung tawagin nila. It has ultra low latency, natural responsiveness, perfect for drawing, note-taking, and productivity. Second, which is the Xiaomi Pad Mini cover guys. So ito, so you can protect it and use it hands-free guys because of this handle. So for students, creators, even professionals katulad po natin, this AI integration and extra like accessories na binibigay guys ng Xiaomi right now will really add real productivity value whenever kakailanganin natin. Now guys, in this part of the video naman guys, ipapakita natin side by side na guys kung sino ba talaga ang mananalo per category guys versus the Xiaomi Pad Mini and versus the iPad Mini A17 2024. So for display guys, the Xiaomi Pad Mini has an 8.8-inch guys 3K LCD 165Hz with 700 nits peak brightness, while the iPad Mini guys only has 8.3-inch Retina LCD display as well, 60Hz and only 500 nits of brightness. So in this part, malino na panalo talaga si Xiaomi. On the chipset naman guys, the Xiaomi Pad Mini has Dimensity 9400 Plus 3nm chipset as well, while the Apple has an A17 Bionic 3nm chipset guys. So this part guys, panalo po si Apple dito guys, kasi alam naman natin at the end of the day, usually talaga mas malakas talaga ang processing power ng mga Apple chipset compared to the Android chipset. RAM and storage guys, the Xiaomi Pad Mini has an 8+256 combo or 12+512, both with LPDDR5X plus UFS 4.1 technology, while the Apple iPad Mini only has 4 to 8GB of RAM options, and up to 512GB of NVMe storage. So dito guys, sa part na to, malinaw din po na panalo din po si Xiaomi Pad Mini. On the battery guys also, 7,500 mAh battery guys si Xiaomi Pad Mini with 67 watts fast charging plus 18 watts reverse charging, while the iPad Mini only has 5,078 mAh to be exact, and only 20 watt charging guys through wire cable. So dito guys, panalo ulit si Xiaomi. On the audio naman guys, si Xiaomi Pad Mini has a stereo, Dolby Atmos, and spatial audio, while si iPad Mini only has stereo compatibility. So again, malino na panalo si Xiaomi this time. Connectivity. So si Xiaomi Pad Mini has a Wi-Fi 7 plus Bluetooth 5.4 and dual SIM DP 4.1 technology, while the iPad Mini only has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and single USB-C technology. So Xiaomi ulit ang panalo sa part na to. For the camera guys, the rear camera guys of the Xiaomi Pad Mini is 13 megapixel, while the front camera guys is at 8 megapixel. On the iPad Mini, the rear camera has 12 megapixel and the front has 12 megapixel guys. So dito, I can say in terms of camera, being realistic guys, we know Apple technology guys, we know the capabilities of Apple camera. I think in this part, ibibigay ko sa Apple yung panalo dito. Sa accessories naman guys, sa Xiaomi Pad Mini, it has a focus pen compatibility and a mini cover guys, while on the iPad Mini has an Apple Pencil 2 compatibility and Smart Folio compatibility. I think for this one, nung ginamit ko siya, nung tinesting ko siya guys, I think I can say still mas smooth pa rin si iPad Mini, but hindi naman siya ganun talaga kalayo. But for this one, since we're like comparing it side by side, so I can say Apple pa rin ang panalo dito. So for the software guys, HyperOS 2 plus Hyper AI guys with Gemini integration si Xiaomi Pad Mini. On the iPad naman, iPadOS 18, it has Pro application katulad ng Procreate and Final Cut. So I think this one, panalo si Apple in terms of literally professional grade applications. For the price, dito na siya nagkakatalo. The Xiaomi Pad Mini has a 25,999 pesos SRP, while the iPad Mini starts guys, ibig sabihin tataas pa siya at 34,990 pesos. So ibig sabihin, mas affordable at mas panalo talaga si Xiaomi in terms of value versus money. So quick take, no, Xiaomi wins in display, battery, charging, connectivity, audio, RAM storage, and even price, no? So but the Apple wins in performance, cameras, pencil ecosystem, and long-term support. So if you want to share power and Apple ecosystem talaga yung trip mo talaga guys, I can suggest you go for the iPad Mini. But if you want value, portability, and creator-friendly features under 26,000, yun talagang sulit na sulit, the Xiaomi Pad Mini guys is the real champion guys in this category. So is the Xiaomi Pad Mini worth it? For me, yes. If you want a compact, affordable, high refresh rate tablet with AI features guys na kailangan natin this 2025, focus pen support, and a premium design, this is one of the best alternatives to the iPad Mini right now. It's not a full iPad killer, but a real budget-friendly rival that delivers only at 25,999 pesos. So yun na yung breakdown natin guys on the Xiaomi Pad Mini guys. So if you're curious about pricing or availability naman here in the Philippines, don't worry, I got you guys. So I've attached link in the description below guys, yung discounted, direct discount link price guys ng Xiaomi Pad Mini if in case gusto mo tong bumili right now. Ilalagay ko na rin dyan sa baba yung mga focus pen and other accessories na i-recommend natin. And guys, okay, before we end this video guys, so paano mangyayari yung giveaway guys? So simple lang, mamimigay tayo guys ng isang brand new Xiaomi Pad Mini guys on this video. So anong gagawin ninyo? I-like, mag-comment kayo dyan sa baba guys kung ano nagustuhan nyo guys about the Xiaomi Pad Mini, anong favorite features ninyo at bakit. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I-share nyo rin to guys on FB or tag nyo ako guys sa mga story nyo para ma-restory kayo. And drop your question to comment section. If ever na may tanong kayo about the Xiaomi Pad Mini, sasagutin natin yan. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now, James Cepeno, and I'll see you on our next video. Peace out.